Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. We all know that the skin has a process of exfoliation which happens naturally over a period of few months. In the face, usually it is once in 30 days. In the body, it can vary from once in 2 months to once in 3 months. And this makes the skin renewal process a very natural physiological process. But as we approach our 30s, this turnover process becomes slightly sluggish, which is why we all like to turn to exfoliation. And we all know that all our parents and grandparents have given us various recipes. It could be gram flour, it could be rice flour, it could be multani mitti, where it is applied on the skin, left for a period of time, and physically scrubbed off. This is my concern with it. The skin of color, the Indian skin, has a tendency to become darker whenever it goes dry and whenever you scrub it. That is why most dermatologists will advise you against using loofas and against using physical exfoliator in a very regular manner. So if you want to use a scrub, these are the things that you should make sure that you are using when you use a homemade scrub. One, make sure that you are using a very fine powder. It could be rice flour, it could be gram flour, but it has to be smooth. It should not scratch your skin. Second, make sure that you don't add anything which is acidic or alkaline. We spoke about acid pH of the face. You don't want to disbalance it. So don't put anything sour like lemon juice, like curd, as this could increase the dryness of the skin, making you prone for infections as well as darkening of the skin. You may temporarily look brighter and then it will start becoming darker again with sun exposure. Third, make sure that you are adding water, or you could use milk because these are safer than using any other product. Honey, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, they're all a very strict no-no. Then you apply it for 10 minutes, then wash it off with gentle scrubbing motions. Please don't put pressure. That is going to cause more stripping of the skin. And the fourth most important thing is don't forget to moisturize after doing this treatment, and make sure that you're always using a sunscreen very strictly, because after you do this treatment, skin is more sensitive to sun. So the next day morning, if you step out without a sunscreen, you're going to go darker. And the fifth very important thing to remember is to make sure that you don't repeat this more than once in a week or once in 10 days, because more frequent applications of these could disturb the normal pH of the skin, could hinder the skin's normal healing process, and could actually trigger pigmentation in your face. To know more about chemical exfoliation, which is chemical peels, which are much safer, which do not cause any of these complications, please speak to your dermatologist today.